Children, this is the notes for 5th grade, lesson 1, A Rupee Goes a Long Way. So, take your book and a pen and start writing now. First, write the date in the margin left side as 13/7/2020. Then, leave a line and write the heading below the red line as lesson 1, A rupee goes a long way. Line and write Roman number 1 in the margin. Then keep the side heading as word file. Then start writing the first word. The first one is valuable. 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 Second one, shrugged. 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 Third one, stare. 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 Fourth one, exchange. 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 Fifth one, shrug. 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 Sixth one, mutter. 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 Seventh one, scatter. 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 Eighth one, cheerful. 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 Ninth one, examined. 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 Tenth one, squeaky. 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 11th one, startle. 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 12th one, precious. 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 Shining. 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 14th one, pleasure. 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 Last one, toss. 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 So children, turn the page and write down the second Roman number in the margin and write the subheading as synonyms and antonyms. synonyms, synonyms, and antonyms, antonyms. Now divide the page into 3 equal parts and write the heading in the first column as word, WORD, word. In the second column, write the heading as synonym, and in the third column, write the heading as antonym. Now start writing the first word, children. Valuable, 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 valuable. The synonym of valuable is importable, IMPORTABLE, importable. And put a comma and write one more synonym for valuable. It is costly, 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 costly. The antonym for valuable is inexpensive, 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 inexpensive. Write the second word, children. Exchange, 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 exchange. The synonym for exchange is barter, 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 barter. And one more, put a comma and write the other synonym, transfer, 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 transfer. The antonym for exchange is stagnation, 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 stagnation. Write the third word, children. Scatter, SCATTER, scatter. The synonyms of scatter are sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Put a comma and write the other synonym as spread, 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 spread. The antonym for scatter is untie, UNTIE, untie. Now write the fourth word, cheerful, 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 cheerful. The synonyms of cheerful are enthusiastic, 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 enthusiastic. Put a comma and write the other synonym as bright, 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 bright. The antonym for cheerful is gloomy, 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 gloomy. Write the fifth word as silence. S-I-L-E-N-C-E. Silence. S-I-L-E-N-C-E. Silence. The synonyms are quiet. Q-U-I-E-T. Quiet. Q-U-I-E-T. Quiet. Put a comma and write the other synonym calm. C-A-L-M. Calm. C-A-L-M. Calm. The antonym of silence is clamor. C-L-A-M-O-U-R. Clamor. C-L-A-M-O-U-R. Clamor. The sixth word is hesitate. H-E-S-I-T-A-T-E. Hesitate. H-E-S-I-T-A-T-E. Hesitate. The synonyms of hesitate are waver. W-A-V-E-R. Waver. W-A-V-E-R. Waver. Put a comma and write the other word as stumble. S-T-U-M-B-L-E. Stumble. S-T-U-M-B-L-E. Stumble. The antonym of hesitate is persist. P-E-R-S-I-S-T. Persist. P-E-R-S-I-S-T. Persist. Write the seventh word, children. Startle. S-T-A-R-T-L-E. Startle. S-T-A-R-T-L-E. Startle. The synonyms of startle are astonish. A-S-T-O-N-I-S-H. Astonish. A-S-T-O-N-I-S-H. Astonish. Put a comma and write the other word shock. S-H-O-C-K. Shock. S-H-O-C-K. Shock. The antonym of startle is soothe. S-O-O-T-H-E. Soothe. S-O-O-T-H-E. Soothe. The eighth one is vigorously. V-I-G-O-R-O-U-S-L-Y. Vigorously. V-I-G-O-R-O-U-S-L-Y. Vigorously. The synonyms of vigorously are strenuously. S-T-R-E-N-U-O-U-S-L-Y. Strenuously. S-T-R-E-N-U-O-U-S-L-Y. Strenuously. And put a comma and write the other word as eagerly. E-A-G-E-R-L-Y. Eagerly. E-A-G-E-R-L-Y. Eagerly. The antonym of vigorously is gently. G-E-N-T-L-Y. Gently. G-E-N-T-L-Y. Gently. Write the ninth one, children. Pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y. Pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y. Pretty. The synonyms of pretty are charming. C-H-A-R-M-I-N-G. Charming. C-H-A-R-M-I-N-G. Charming. Put a comma and write the other word as beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. The antonym of beautiful is the antonym of pretty is ugly. U-G-L-Y. Ugly. U-G-L-Y. ly, ugly. Write the last word shallow. The 10th one is shallow, 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 shallow. The synonyms of shallow are flat, 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 flat. Put a comma and write the other synonym hollow, 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 hollow. The antonym of shallow is deep, 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 deep. Thank you, children.